Hello, I'm with Mr. Jason Derulo.
Harrison. Oh, what's happening, bro?
What's up? I got a Skype message from U Generation. Hey Harrison, you and Jason are going to play human sound effects. Here are the rules. Open box, pick card, make sound effect, guess sound effect, ask silly question.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. This is messed up.
An old man.
No.
An old woman.
See? That's it.
An old woman that shoots out of her butt.
Shoots what? It goes up in the air.
Fireworks.
He's got it. He's got it. You got it. What's the best advice your grandma has ever given you?
I'd have to say the best would be choose a woman that's like my mother.
What's your mother like?
My mother's very giving. She's, very selfless, always thinking about others before she thinks about herself.
Okay, because my auntie, she would happily date you. So, if you're up for it, after this video, we'll sort it out. We'll sort it out.
All right, my turn?
This is your turn.
Word. All right. Oh.
What is that? What is that?
Nice.
An owl? An owl singing.
No. Selena Gomez gargling with chocolate sauce.
Beautiful.
What's your favorite chocolate bar?
I hate Hershey's. Your chocolate is like...
Rubbish.
Is rubbish.
Your turn.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, God. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's an easy one. It's a pig stepping on mouse traps.
That was exactly what it was. High five.
Yeah, I'm kind of the man. Well, all right.
What is your favorite pork-related product?
Bacon.
Okay. Baking. Baking. He loves baking with pork.
Bacon.
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 Bacon?
What is bacon with pork? In it.
Bacon.
All right, it's my turn, right? All right. So, I'm gonna need to stand for this one. You didn't get it yet?
A drunk cow? A drunk bashing, hitting things.
Close enough. I think you got it. Trying to open the door.
Ah, that was a good one.
What's your favorite burger topping?
Cheese and bacon. Bacon, cheese. So good. Oh my.
I do not know how to drill. Oh, this is so easy.
Is that Arnold Schwarzenegger drilling through some kind of cement?
So what?
Some kind of cement?
Cement? Whoa, I thought that was something else.
We say cement.
Cement.
You would say
That's hysterical. Cement. No, it's through custard. Hey yo, holla. I hope you enjoyed our human sound effects video.
Just let us know who you like watching better in it. It's been a blast, yeah?
Yeah, it's been a blast, girl.
Is it?
For more videos, click down there, subscribe. Eugene, you the biz.
I have a strong passion for ladies giving birth.
Ride the pony.
Yeah, that's the pony. That's the pony, yeah?